Here we have a couple of refrigerator components and 3 central air conditioners. This is a luxaire from 2006. This is a carrier heat pump from 2007. This is a 5-ton, also from 2007. It is a straight cool unit. There's the Copeland. I believe that's a Copeland scroll. But oh wait, don't know what kind of scroll inside, but it looks like a Copeland scroll. This one has a GE fan motor, commercial motor. And then this one hasn't been running all those years, actually. Well, it looks like it was just running. The fan motor is kind of warm. So, and this is a heat pump. There's the reversing valve right down there. And the luxaire is sort of kind of rattling, but you can't even hear it because it's so quiet. Reversing valve heat pump. This is a contractor, I guess. I might be guessing this is a contractor from a unit that has been in the floor for years. And here's the data sheet. It's from the 5th week of 2007. It's a 3-ton R22. And there's the luxaire from 2006. Running in heat mode. This is a heat pump, actually. It has a US fan motor after replacement. Four-ton R22. It says heat pump right here, so this is definitely a heat pump. It's sort of rattling, actually. And what's the section of heat pump? So R22. This is a 2.5 HBR 13 SEER unit. And here's the Trenton running. It has a Copeland reciprocating. This is a newer one right here. They replaced one of those Russel refrigerator components, actually. 1702, 2nd week of 2017. 25,000 BTU, so it's a 2-ton. And here's a Russel, another one of those. Let's see. You know something? These needs to be cleaned, actually. Oh, now it just turned on. That's why I heard it click. So, all right, this one's from 2004, and it's a 10,000 BTU. I'm not sure about that, but whatever. Oh boy, that's hot. It's just sitting on the sun. It's a noisy one right here. And here's the Heatcraft also running. Really quiet. Copeland reciprocating and a refrigeration receiver. So yeah, this carrier is sometimes on, but here's a bit off, actually. And this one has a Copeland. I believe that's a scroll, but I don't know if it's a Copeland, actually. So these carrier units are beasts, actually. They kind of last too long. And here's another contractor I found on the ground. I think this is a contractor or a contactor. That's what I say. So I think that's what it came from, that box right there, actually. So, the fan motor's too hot from this luxaire unit. also has a capacitor replacement. The Trenton is sort of quiet, actually. I've heard it was so loud before, but Trenton. Alright, the model number from the luxaire is HL3A04AF1A. Serial number is WOF6489981. It's from the 48th week of 2006. It has R22. This is a heat pump. It's made from Unitary Products Corp, which is also made by York. So, and the serial number from this carrier unit on the 3-ton is 0507E05489, and the model number is 25HBR 360A0030010. So, 5th week of 2007, and 5 tons. Serial number is 1707E14247. Model number is 24ABR36A330. This is a 5-ton from the 17th week of 2007. And this place was built in 2006 because the luxaire got here first. So yeah, this is why I'm trying to create a separation video out of these units. Actually, these luxaire units last forever. This one's rusted out for some reason. I'm not even going to try and touch the fan motor again. This one has a suction accumulator. The 3-ton carrier has a total line. So yeah, the 5-ton was sometimes running, so yeah, it's off right now. And might be taking pictures of these actually. So I am actually surprised. This unit is a heat pump, and yeah, it does have a copal scroll. I knew it. It says it right down there. So probably the reversing valves on this side. Actually, I don't know where the reversing valve is, but the compressor, that's the blanket right there. That's really huge. Probably has a copal scroll or a Bristol, because sometimes York companies uses Bristol. And I'm surprised this one doesn't even have micro channel, because also Yorks use micro channel. So, and this Russel, back to the Russel. This is in heat mode actually. There's the coupler reciprocating. Brand products. Sort of loud if you ask me. This is also from 26th week of 2004. It's don't know what kind of tonnage it is. So there's the foil back there. So don't know what else to talk about, but I've been staying. This is at a gas station actually. Like I said in my last videos, one of this fangirl got bent over. And these units really need to be cleaned. They're in probably good shape actually. What am I saying? This one doesn't have a fan motor replacement, but the luxaire actually does. So if you really ask me. This is all where the lines goes from those 3 air conditioners. '13's here. Don't know what else to talk about. So It's from the 17th week of 2007. Like I said, this place was built in 2006 because of the luxaire. Actually, I guess the luxaire got here first. Well, actually, it was built in 2004 because probably those Russel refrigerator components got here first. And I might be guessing the Heatcraft might be older, but I don't know what type of compressor that unit has actually. Let me tell, Millennium. No, it doesn't have a Millennium actually. Someone tell me what kind of compressor that is. I already appreciate it. It's oh, still zoomed actually. Yeah. I don't know why the contractor's contact was on the floor. Probably replaced it actually. I'm trying to really keep this one. It's really dirty. And I might be guessing that's what the compressor sounds like. I guess you can hear it. But not anything else to talk about these units. There's a closer look at the reversing valve from the 3-ton carrier unit right here. And I guess the Russel shut off. It's been a while since I haven't filmed refrigerator components, even though I'm doing it right now. Not too long ago, it was just running. Got these carry, and this one really needs to be cleaned. Like, look at this. And this one, I think, wasn't running, and it looks like this one hasn't been used over these years. I never get to see one running, but I wish I can get it running. If I can get a chance of it running right now, then that would be great. I would really appreciate it. So this one's coming off. I'm not gonna take that off because these units are really beasts. Even this luxaire unit. I guess the compressor has a buzzing sound from this luxaire. And I haven't seen the Heatcraft for a while. Ooh, boy, that's hot. Oh, there it goes again. I was like, I just heard a click sound and I knew this unit was gonna start up. So, wow, it sounds like a Bristol starting up. So, yeah, I'm gonna make this quick right now because like, my mom is about to drop me off to my house actually. So yeah, this is the 2007 5-ton carrier straight cool unit, 2007 3-ton carrier heat pump, 2006 4-ton luxaire heat pump running in heat mode, 2017 Trenton refrigerator component, and 2 Russell's refrigerator components. This one just started up right now, and the Heatcraft. Yeah, I'm guessing I'm gonna take these pictures of these units actually and post on Instagram. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out, guys.